Hello everyone, welcome to Key Cyber. For more updates related to cybersecurity, stay tuned with our social media handles. And for the latest updates, subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Today we will discuss about steganography with using tool. So further going for the practical sessions, we will see a little much theory about steganography. What are the types of steganography, which tools are used for steganography, as well as some of the types. Okay, so let's start. What is exactly steganography? Steganography is a data hidden within data. Steganography is an encryption technique that can be used along with cryptography as an extra secure method in which to protect data. Steganography techniques can be applied to images, a video file, or an audio file. Typically, however, steganography is written in characters, including hash making, but its usage within images is also common. At any rate, steganography protects from pirating copyrighted materials as well as aiding in unauthorized viewing. So let's discuss about what are the steganography techniques. Depending on the nature of the cover object, steganography can be divided into 5 types. First one is text steganography, image steganography, video steganography, audio steganography, and network steganography. So we will discuss every part in a depth. So let's start with text steganography. Text steganography is hiding information inside the text file. It involves things like changing the format of existing text, changing words within a text, generating random character sequences, or using context-free grammars to generate readable text. Various techniques used to hide the data in the text are format-based method, random and statistical generation linguistic method. Next, we will discuss on image steganography, hiding the data by taking the cover object, as the image is known as image steganography. In digital steganography, images are widely used cover source because there are huge number of bits present in the digital representation of an image. There are a lot of ways to hide information inside an image. Common approaches include least significant bit insertion, masking and filtering, redundant pattern encoding, encrypt and scatter, coding and cosine transformation. Next, we will discuss about audio steganography. In audio steganography, the secret message is embedded into an audio signal which alters the binary sequences of the corresponding audio file. Hiding secret messages in the digital sound is much more than difficult process when compared to others such as image steganography. Different methods of audio steganography include least significant bit encoding, parity encoding, phase encoding, spread spectrum. This method hides the data in a WAV, AU, and even MP3 sound files. The next we will discuss about video steganography. In video steganography, you can hide kind of data into digital video format. The advantage of this type is a large amount of data can be hidden inside, and the fact that if it is a moving stream of the images and sound, you can think of this as the combination of image steganography and audio steganography. Two main classes of video steganography include embedding data in uncompressed raw videos and compressing it later, embedding data directly into the compressed data stream. The next type, it is network steganography. It is also known as protocol steganography. It is the technique of embedding information within a network control protocols used in a data transmission such as TCP, UDP, IC, etc. You can use steganography in some cover channel that you can find the OSI model. For example, you can hide information in the header of a TCP IP packet in some fields that are either optional. So let's discuss about what are the best tools to perform steganography. There are many software available that offer steganography. Some other normal steganography, but few offer encryption before hiding the data. These are the steganography tools which are available for free. Stegosuit. It is a free steganography tool which is written in Java. With Stegosuit, you can easily hide confidential information in image file. StegHide. is an open source steganography software that lets you hide a secret file in an image or audio file. ZIO steganography, it is a free software that can be used to hide data in a BMP images or in a WAV files. SSSuite Pascal is another free portable application to hide text inside an image file, but it takes a different approach when compared to other tools. OpenPerf is a professional steganographic tool where you can store files in a image, audio, video, or flash files. Steganography can be done with two methods. First one is steganography without tool. For that, we need to use command prompt. And the next one is steganography with using tool. Today we will discuss or we'll see the practical of steganography with using tool by using ZIO steganography tool. So let's see. For that, we need to install ZIO steganography tool, right? So I have already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it again. I will just show you on the which website you have to go and download that ZIO steganography tool. It is a freeware and it is a open source and it is freely available over there on internet. So let's begin for the practical sessions. Let's begin. First, we need to download ZIO steganography tool. For that, you need to search it on any web browser, that is ZIO steganography. Okay, so this one is a GIS technography tool. You can just download it and you can able to use GIS technography tool. And whenever you are going to download any kind of tool which is related to hacking or forensics or any other field, you need to download it from original website, or you need to download from a trustable website which is a secured and which is and then okay, let's start. First we need to download one JPG image, right? You can select your own images also, but it is in a form of JPG or BMP image. For that, ZIO steganography tool. Okay, if we are using a steganography without using tool, in the in that command prompt, so yes, you need only PNG or JPG image format images. No need to convert into another form of images, right? So let's see. Okay, we need to download one image. Uh, it is in JPG format, right? So I will choose this one. Okay, let's start. We need to download this image. Okay, so for that we need to save this image. And just remember, whenever you are creating document, that is our text file, and save your image, you need to save it on one particular folder. If you are saving those images over the desktop, so yes, you need to save it on a desktop only. Okay, so I will just change here name, that is to A, and yes, here it is. I will save it on a desktop. Okay, so yes, my image will be saved. It will be available on desktop only. After completing download, I will be able to see my images till we can create one document file. In that, we need to put some content, that is some personal content, like my password or anything personal information. Okay, so we can hide those personal message into that image, and if I want to share those images to the third person. So for that he need to extract those images, and he will be or she will be able to read my messages. So for that we need to open Notepad. I preferably use Notepad only. Okay, because for Word we need some another extensions. So I will be get start write language, or you can write personal information. Otherwise you can write any kind of sentences in that. So I will write, hello, my name is Harshita Jadhav, and my FB password is Harshita 11111111. Okay, so don't try it, guys. This is not my password. I have just written here for the for the sake of your knowledge. Okay, so now we need to save those images or save those text file, save as, and you need to take care about wherever you have a save your image file, in that folder or in that place you need to save your text file only, right? So I will be here take it as a name B. Okay, so my text file will be saved, and now we have a text file and image, right? So, and yes, now we need to convert image into BMP format. Okay, so if you don't know how we can see the extension of any file or any images, for that we need to right click on that particular image or folder. Then we need to go for properties, and next we will able to see the type of a file, that is a jpg.jpg. It is the extension of that. Okay, so now we need to convert jpg image into the bmp image, that is a bitmap form. Okay, so now we need to open paint. Okay, only simple paint, not 3D paint or anything else. We just need to open a simple paint. Okay, so paint, and then we need to just open those image file over the paint, and we need to just save it. So open a, that is our image file, right? So we can open this image, and now we need to change the extension of that particular image, okay, into the jpg to the bmp format, right? So now we need to go for save as, and then bmp pictures, and save, we have to save it on a desktop only. So I will change your name to the a and b. Okay, so this one is my file name, save. Okay, so this one is my file, that is image name. So now I don't need text file, I don't need the jpg image format, right? So I will just delete it. And if you want to know what will be the extension of that particular image, we have saved it in the pen. So you can check it on, yes, you can see bmp file, that is .bmp extension. So now we need to open GIS Technography tool. Now we have done with our prerequisites, that is one bmp image and one text file. Okay, so now we need to open GIS Technography tool. Okay. Okay, so now we need to open GIS Technography tool. That is, yes, I have already downloaded it. So I will just open the GIS Technography tool. And now we have to upload our load image file and a text file. Okay, so for that we need to add files here. Add files here. Load target file. So we need to add over here image. Okay, that we have created, that we have saved it in a BMP format. So this one is my image. Open. Then next. Then we need to add here file, that is our text file. Okay, you can create your secret message in the word only, or you can use anyone else. Okay, now our text file will be added. Now we need to go for next. Then yes, you can here give any encryption options. Okay, so I will go for DES, and hashing format I will go for SHA, and password. Yes, you can set password for your personal messages also. Okay, whenever the third person will try to open that image or extract that image, so yes, he need to put password over there. Then and then they will be able to see the personal or secret message in that particular images which we have hide. So next, encode done. Okay, so now this one we need to save it on desktop only. So I will be name or 233. Okay, so now we don't need our text file. So I will just delete it. And I don't need our BMP format image. So yes, I also delete this one. And now I only need our steganographic image. This one is our steganographic image, and now we need to extract it. Okay, so for that we need to extract here, extract files, then load source file, that is our image file, or that is our steganography. Then open, then click on next. Click on next, and now we need to put here a password. Okay, CYBE, extract file, and saved it on desktop. I will put here name, that is 2333. Saved. File extract was successful, and we need to we need to finish those process, right? Okay, so now you can see here I have copied one text file and one BMP format image in the GIS Technography tool, and after that I'll get my the both copied images, or both copied things in one bitmap, in one steganographic image, and after that I have just extract that image by using GIS Technography tool only, and after that I will get those messages, right? So this is how the steganography is work, and yes, it is very essential, and yes, mostly the criminals are use those modus operandi to share or to transport some important messages over there to their third party. Okay, so thank you for watching. Stay tuned with Key Cyber for more updates. तब तक be aware, be secure, because cybercrime never pays. Thank you.